Memcoin's already a big deal in 2025. That's right, 2024's Year of the Memcoin title looks set to be taken over by 2025 if the current markets have anything to say about it. A quick glance at the Memcoin market shows a heavy preponderance of green, almost across the board. Blue chip mems are up, including PayPay, 12% in the past week, SHIB, 2.5%, and even Memcoin leader Doge, 5.2%. Lesser-known tokens are also gaining momentum. We are here with a quick list of tokens making waves. In our opinion, these are the best meme coins to buy now as the market bounces. Here we go. Fartcoin, terrible name, great performance, 502% in 30 days. It's got a hilarious, awkward, terrible name. But despite that, Fartcoin is up 3.5% in the past day and nearly 30% in the past week. Moving averages point strongly toward buy, and the name itself guarantees marketability. It's a light-hearted, humorous meme coin, and it's making waves. Solaxi Solana layer to upgrade ready to launch. Solaxi, Solx, is the gateway to the Solana upgrade you have always wanted. Solaxi, a layer 2 solution to the Solana blockchain, offers even faster transaction speeds with little to no failed transactions. It provides a supercharged upgrade to a fast-growing and popular blockchain. Currently, Solx is in pre-sale, where it's raised over $8 million. The current token price is $0.001588, set to increase gradually as the pre-sale continues. Brett, average name with $1.3 billion market cap. Unlike Fartcoin, Brett's name is a bit boring, actually. However, the token's performance has been anything but. Brett's market cap peaked in early December 2024, north of $2 billion, so there's still room for it to grow as it seeks to regain those earlier heights. And with the broader meme coin market bouncing higher, Brett is an attractive play. While Brett is down over the past month, it's still up 243% since launch. PayPay, the OG green frog, continues to pay off. Imitation is the sincerest form of flattery, and PayPay spawns new imitators every day. Some are worthy meme coins in their own right. We'll cover one of them in a minute. But in the meantime, PayPay is enjoying a great start to the new year. It's up 13.79% in the past week, with overwhelmingly positive community sentiment. And while sentiment itself isn't a technical indicator, these are meme coins. Sentiment is everything. That partly explains why PayPay remains the number 3 meme coin by market cap and has cracked the top 20 by market cap among all cryptos. Wall Street PayPay meme. Wall Street savvy with a $40 million pre-sale. So far, it's another PayPay imitator, but $WEPE is more than just another green frog. Few of those can claim an ongoing $40 million pre-sale. Wall Street PayPay offers a dedicated community of meme coin enthusiasts and investors keen to share info and take advantage of the best trades. Everything's brought together in the $WEPE token, a worthy challenger for $PayPay's crown. Meme Index, a TradFi tool, comes to the meme market. Everyone knows stock market indexes. Soon, they'll know about Meme Index, MEMEX. MEMEX plans to offer 4 indexes tracking various sectors of the $104 billion meme coin market. Graded by risk, the Titan, Moonshot, Midcap, and Frenzy indexes will provide MEMEX holders access to traditional investment tools custom-built for meme coins. Currently in pre-sale, the Meme Index project has raised $1.6 million so far. The token price is $0.014869, which is set to increase in the next phase. Meme coins, so hot right now. Meme coins experienced a banner year in 2024, particularly in the final quarter, when $BTC and blue chip altcoins like $ETH headed for the moon.